YouTube, these are the 5 steps of creating a brand name. Number 1 is simplicity. You gotta have a simple brand name, something easy to remember, okay? Number 2, it's gotta be unique, something nobody's ever heard of, okay? Number 3 is meaningful. You gotta have some kind of meaning, all right? Number 4 is gonna be not taken. Like, you gotta make sure your name is available on the internet and it's not out there somewhere else, all right? Number 5, actually, y'all gotta stick around, wait to see number 5. If you want to skip, you can. But look, number 5 is going to be hot and you haven't heard this one before, okay? So number 1, we're starting out with it being simplicity, all right? Super simple brand name. You got to be able to have somebody be able to remember your name. Say, for example, I tell my friend about your brand. He got to be able to remember it just off the top of his, brain. If we don't write it down or like put it in his phone, he's got to be able to go home and remember that brand name to search you up. And this is where we go into number 2. This is going to be a real quick video, so y'all better not skip nothing. Y'all better stick around. Our number 2 is going to be unique. If it's something he's like heard of 1,000 times and he's probably doesn't care about your brand, bro, like it needs to be something he's never heard of, something like super cool, like something he wants to be a part of. And I don't know why I'm talking about somebody else, but like it's honestly the best way to get you a visual representation, okay? So like I said, nothing he's ever heard of, something he wants to be a part of. And then that kind of just goes into number 3, meaningful, all right? Your brand has to have some meaning behind it or no one will care. If your brand has 0 meaning, you're just trying to make money, no one's gonna follow you, no one's gonna want to support you. Like, you might have some people support you for a little bit, but eventually your brand's gonna die out because there's no true meaning and you're just doing it because it's cool and you need to make some money, all right? Don't get me wrong, that's cool, that's what everyone wants to do, but at least put some kind of meaning behind your brand so it's like you're really doing it for a reason. It's something you enjoy, it's something you love. Because like if you're just doing it for the money, you're gonna get eventually burnt out and then you'll just like waste all your time when you could really find something you enjoy doing and do it forever. Number 4, this is super important. You do not want to have hashtags, you don't want to have underscores, you don't want to have periods in your username. That is absolutely tacky. Unless you're like are 2 words or something and you're just like trying to, you need a little dot something, it's kind of tacky if you do that. It's completely better if you just put your username all together, no underscores, no periods, none of that, all right? You just want a super simple, easy. Use this website right here to make sure that your username is not taken. I will put this up on the screen. It's the best website to check if your username is taken anywhere on the internet. Number 5 is going to be visually appealing. I guarantee no one has ever told you this when you're looking up how or about your brand name. You want to make sure that your brand name looks good on a logo, looks good on a shirt, and you can change the font like 100 times and it still looks good and clean. If your brand name is super long, 99% of the time your brand name does not look clean. So look, that's the 5 steps. You need to have something simple, easy to remember, unique, not taken, and of course visually appealing. All right, if you want more brand tips, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Super quick video here for y'all. I'm gonna put some more tips down, so comment down below what you want to see next. Ask me any questions, I'm here for you. Thank y'all. Peace, YouTube.